In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to save WhatsApp status without any app. All you have to need, go to your My Files app, tap on this three dot and tap on Settings. Under My Files settings, here you will find Show Hidden System Files. Just turn on this option. Once it's turned on, now just go to your WhatsApp and go to updates and just go to the status, open the status, which status you want to automatically download to your phone. Once you successfully seen or viewed those status, now go to your My Files app again, go to internal storage, open Android folder, open media folder, open com.whatsapp folder, open WhatsApp, open media folder. In here, open .statuses folder, and here you'll find all of your watched WhatsApp status photos and videos automatically. Now to download this, select one or multiple video or photo status, then tap on copy, and where you want to copy, select internal storage, select DCIM, and just copy here. That's how you have to copy, and then go to your gallery. In your gallery here you will find the WhatsApp photo or video status that you just copy from your WhatsApp automatically. Thanks for watching.